Welcome back. In this video lecture, I will discuss plugins in Codex. So we have the various plugins available and how you can utilize into the Codex. So when you open the Codex in the left side, left panel, you can see the option is called the plugins. So plugins, you can search the plugins here by if you want to name, or you can also search all the filter the plugins by we have the drop down. So all if you select the all plugin, it will be basically display the all the plugin. But if you want to filter by the basically use cases, like if you are searching plugin for the coding activity, we can search the coding. So this all the plugin are related to the plugin activity. So you can add all this plugin and you can utilize if you are working into the GitHub to save the repository and all the activity, you can just click the button. So once you click the plus button, this will be basically ask you to install the GitHub. Okay, same like other as well. So if you are using the Codex into the enterprise model, so might be for the security point of view, you will get some type of the basically the hide option. Like if you are suppose if you have, like for example, I'm trying to install the Gmail. Okay, so you can see for me it's not authorized, so I can't install the Gmail. So you can see app is unavailable. So couple of the plugin is not available, but it mention but whatever the you available, you can just go and filter it, and you can connect through the any of the tool. Like if you are doing some engineering work, we have OpenAI developer, like same like AI developer. So this is install. You can install the OpenAI developer. So what is basically they have this app is developed and maintained by OpenAI. ChatGPT may use this app in chat and manage anytime review or turn off app in setting under the app. So you can go to this plugin design. For design also we have the Canva, Figma, Remotion, all these thing we have. And for future also we have browse use. But majorly, if you go to the coding area, we have lots of plugin is available. Okay, so basically you can do any of the plugin and we can start the coding. So we can use all any of the plugins. So like for example, GitHub, you can find all this control whatever we have. So you can click on the installing GitHub. So this will be take a few of the time to install the GitHub, and once it's installed, you can see the plugin is automatically GitHub will be open in the browser whatever we have install. Okay, so this is the all about the plugin. We will discuss more in detail for the next video, how we can create the automation and the skill set. Thank you so much.